We miss you here in Town Square, and I'm so glad that you're joining me to read one of my favorite books. It's called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Have you ever gotten the hiccups? They're kind of crazy, aren't they? Okay, let's read. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Friends, do you think you can help Little Penguin? Apparently, giving someone a good scare is as sure as bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. 1, 2, 3, boo! Wonder if it worked. Is that it? Let's try again louder this time. 1, 2, 3, boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout! Go crazy! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice, spicy taco. Oh no, Little Penguin has the hiccups again. Thank you so much for reading with me. I hope you like the story as much as I do. Bye, friends.